Imagine you are the facility manager of a production plant in a complex building system with many different lighting zones. Previously, you had to contact a specialist each time your lighting system needed to be programmed and maintained. From now on, you can easily manage your complex lighting control with the WAGO's new online-based light management system. WAGO Light Management is an intelligent solution for controlling different lighting situations, no matter the building size or the complexity. Whether you want to control and manage 10 luminaires and 3 zones, or 20,000 luminaires and 360 different zones, WAGO will help. How does it work? From your PC, Mac, or tablet, you can open the WAGO Light Management website, and without installation, you can control and maintain your system. If, for example, a lamp fails, the system displays a detailed error diagnosis. This tells you which lamp, the exact type, location, and at what height is defective and what you need for it. This means that you can perform maintenance and repairs yourself at any time of day or at night, not only saving time, but also the costs for a specialist. WAGO supplies the relevant components, such as controllers and I/O modules, which are installed and wired in the control cabinet. This allows predefined hardware to be easily networked with the new light management system. Stay in control of your system.